So now we get to practice simplifying expressions with negative exponents. So we've been learning these different exponent rules, and we're going to put some of them together. So I have in this first example, I have a z here and a z here. It's multiplication. So that means I can add the exponents. So I'm thinking, what's negative 4 plus negative 5? Negative 9. But then I don't want to leave my answer with a negative exponent. So now I'm going to use that rule about negative exponents and make it 1 over z to the positive 9. And then I'm done. So two rules. I used the rule for product, added the exponents, and then I used the rule for negative exponents. All right. So here's another example. This time we have p as a base, and we have q as a base. So I'm going to think about the p's together, p to the 6th times p to the negative 9. Think about those. And then I'm going to think about the q's together. You can put parentheses around it. It's all multiplication, though. So I'm thinking about those two, and I'm thinking about those two. All right, add the exponent. So this will be p to the negative 3. And the other one's going to be q to the negative 3. Well, they both have negative exponents, don't they? And so they're both going to have to move downtown. So I'm going to make this 1 over p to the 3rd, q to the 3rd. Now you could have a situation where one was a positive exponent and one was negative, and the positive one would stay put. But this time they both had negative exponents, so they both moved downtown. All right, and now we have coefficients in front. So I have a 3 and I have a negative 4. Those all have to multiply together. So 3 times negative 4. I'll have to multiply that. Then I've got the u to the negative 5th and times the u to the 4th. I'll have to do that part. And then I have the v to the 7th times the v to the negative 2. And I'll have to do that part. So it's like you take each part. The bases that are the same, and then the numbers in front, those coefficients, they're just numbers. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, so my coefficient's going to be negative 12. Then I'm going to have u to the negative 1, and then I'll have v to the 5th. Okay, now negative 12 is a negative 12. It's not an exponent, it's just a negative 12. So it's going to be in the numerator. It's not going anyplace. The u, though, that has a negative exponent, so it's got to go downtown. The v, totally happy where it's living. It's going to stay in the numerator. So my answer is going to be, over here, negative 12 v to the 5th over u. You don't have to put to the power of 1. It's understood to be there. And also, you could write the negative out to the side. You'll see that sometimes. I kind of like to put it in the numerator so it doesn't look like it's part of the division line, but either way. Okay? I think that's it for this video.